King Julian! I can't find you! King Julian! Oh! I wish I could find King Julian!
Oh no! This is not the mushroom kingdom! I must have ate the wrong mushroom. Everything looks too real. Last time I let the little talking mushroom give me advice.
Elmo wants to be a nature documentary too. Elmo doesn't see anything. Oh, it's a can of soda. Elmo likes soda. Kinda scary. Don't want to go in there. Oh, why can't Elmo find animals?
This isn't the octopod. I don't know what I'm going to find. Oh! That's a cactus. You don't want to touch those. I made the mistake of touching one when I was a wee little kitten. Took 2 weeks for Grandad to get the little stickers out of me paws.
Alright everybody, I'm back. I just found a petrified snake. Look at that. It's so petrified it looks like a snake. I just said snake. It looks like a stick. It's like 1,000 feet long. Don't let the camera fool you. Wow. And look right here. This is the tail end of a bushy snake. I don't know where the rest of it went, but it looks pretty fresh. You see how the leaves are still kind of green? Yeah, that means it just went to the bathroom right before it had its tail cut off. And then right there, that little guy right there, that's a praying mantis. That's how they pray. They flap their little wings from side to side. And these right here are onyx droppings. For those of you that don't know, onyx is a Pokemon. Never seen this on the show, have you? This is what it looks like when an onyx takes a poo. And right over there, let me zoom in. There's another petrified snake. I've got to be the luckiest nature man alive. Such a good find that I got today. Hope you all liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave some comments for me. And I'll see you guys next time. See what other crazy critters I can find. Wow.